MIT Technology Review just published something that should make every enterprise software executive nervous. Their analysis reveals that the entire industry is scrambling to claim they're imagining for AI agents while actually doing something much simpler: taping large language models onto 30-year-old architectures. Meanwhile, Salesforce, the $100 billion CRM giant, just unveiled their rebuilt Slackbot as their answer to the agentic AI revolution. The gap between marketing and reality has never been wider. Let's break down what's actually going on. Enterprise Resource Planning Systems, or ERPs, are the software that runs the backbone of every major company. Think inventory, payroll, supply chain, financials. Companies like SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft have dominated this space for decades. These systems were designed when humans typed commands into terminals. Now MIT Technology Review is saying these systems need to be fundamentally rebuilt for a world where AI agents, not humans, are the primary users. That's a massive architectural shift. But instead of rebuilding, most vendors are taking shortcuts. They're wrapping their existing products with LLM interfaces and calling it transformation. Salesforce's new Slackbot is a perfect example. It's genuinely improved. It can answer questions, pull data, help with tasks, but it's still an assistant sitting on top of existing infrastructure. It's not a system designed from the ground up assuming AI will be doing the work. The difference matters. When you bolt AI onto legacy architecture, you inherit all the limitations of that architecture. The data silos, the rigid workflows, the human-centric interfaces that AI has to awkwardly navigate. This is an emperor has no clothes moment for enterprise software. Every vendor is using the same buzzwords: agentic AI, autonomous workflows, intelligent automation. But the actual products tell a different story. The real opportunity is for new entrants to build agent-native systems from scratch. Systems where the AI isn't an assistant helping humans use software, but where AI is the primary user and humans provide oversight. That's a completely different design philosophy. And the incumbents can't get there by iteration. They'd have to abandon their existing architectures, which means abandoning the products their customers depend on. SAP can't tell Fortune 500 companies to pause their operations for 2 years while they rebuild. So they'll keep adding LLM layers and marketing it as transformation while smaller, faster competitors build what actually works. The window for disruption is wide open. Pay attention to which companies are building versus retrofitting. The tells are subtle but clear. If a vendor talks about AI-enhanced workflows, they're probably wrapping. If they talk about agent-native architectures with specifics about how AI accesses and manipulates data directly, that's different. Watch for new entrants in the ERP space that have no legacy to protect. And watch enterprise adoption patterns. When companies start running production workloads on agent-native systems instead of AI-wrapped legacy platforms, that's the signal that the shift is real. The enterprise software shakeup is just getting started. If you want to stay ahead of what's actually happening in AI and tech, not just the marketing spin, subscribe. We break down the stories that matter for builders. See you in the next one.